ready for Red Bud?
So ready.
Red Bud.
Here we go.
Red Bud. It's gonna be so exciting. Trees. So other than the fact that I was a shithead on the flight, how was the flight?
It's fine.
Good. Make some business cards.
Yes.
Hey, what's up?
Is that a GoPro?
It's a GoPro. I'm gonna document the weekend.
The whole shirt.
Cool. That works.
All dirt bike t-shirts. That's it. That's it.
I'm rocking all USA t-shirts.
I've got one that says I'm super pumped. I've got one that says I'm just here for the motocross stuff.
All right, check it. Corporate VIP. USA! USA! What did they tell us about our bands when we walked in?
They'd never seen him before.
They said we must be very important people because he's never seen them before. Yeah.
It was flattering.
It was flattering.
It's really cool being in that tent and being around so many guys that I look up to.
Red Bud! Yeah! Red Bud!
Together and standing.
Nick's trying to get us in. We can't get into Lot B.
He just faked a conversation on his phone so that the security people would overhear him saying that
Like,
it was
I'm corporate. He's totally
it was
corporate.
supposed to be part of the corporate experience.
Yeah.
And now he's talking to more security people.
Nah, there's gonna be bullshit. It's gonna be next.
That is cornhole with double-sided dildos. You want to play? No, you won't. So this guy was just walking by, minding his own business, and just got slapped in the face with a dildo. Nick, how'd you get us in?
I didn't actually. They just opened it up.
Nick almost did. No, go from the middle. Grab it from the middle. Oh.
Overhanded.
Oh, so close.
Alright, had a good run.
I guess we're just gonna have to practice some more.
Oh,
We're good.
we're good. Yep. Nope, you already let off. Hold it.
Go!
Nope. Floored. Yep.
Oh my god. No, my motor's gonna blow out. Oh no. Oh man.
There we go.
Clean off them tires.
Hit it. Hit it. Oh, you let off. God damn it. Hit it.
Do you want to be driving?
Yeah.
We made it into somewhere with our passes.
Show me your best guitar. Camera. I can already see it out there where you're walking.
It's Ken Roxon. It's Ken Roxon. Oh shit.
Oh.
But you can't let off. You gotta keep going.
He has to come on.
Oh, they made it.
He's gotta back up. Like seriously, when you start going down that hill, don't let off. Just hit it the whole way.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, no problem. Whoa. Oh wait, that Nissan's going for it.
You got it. You got it.
Let off again. What are you doing?
Oh, now it's gonna crash into that block.
What are you doing?
He wants to go this way. I think.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they kind of made it.
They're pushing it now.
They're pushing him.
Quick explanation is needed for this clip. This was the Pit Bike of Nations race held Saturday night, and everybody got there early. I stood around the fence, had an excellent view, and then right before things got started, just a mob of drunk people, like a complete mob, like thousands being a mob, stormed the track, knocked down the fence, climbed the tallest jump they could find, and just started waving flags, chainsaws, and I didn't know if the race was going to even be able to held. They could not get them off. Nobody could get them off the track. More and more people were going on, so they just released the pit bikes on a sight lap, and they just plowed through the crowd. People were jumping out of the way, falling over. It was hilarious, and this clip, unfortunately, doesn't really get all of that, but I had to throw it in there anyways, just as a memory. Gearing up, day 2.
Really?
Oh yeah, really. These two are having fun in there.
Don't say it like that. Are you serious? They're getting ready.
They're getting ready. Should be drier.
Say has a lot of work to do today, and hopefully Tomac can do it. If there's one person that can, it's him.
So what we go
Also,
we went DNF.
When DNF 12-2
for 9th.
For 9th.
Qualifying.
Hold the camera up higher.
Justin Barsha is an American hero, and we also got to see Ryan Dungey, which was cool, and Ryan Villapoto, which was also cool.
And Ryan Villapoto's car.
And Ryan Villapoto's car, and then he posted it on Instagram, so we also did too. Ryan Villapoto is very small. Ryan Dungey is also very small. That's about it. Key takeaway from yesterday.
The food is perfect.
The food is perfect.
It's been a great
of,
food.
Lots of veggie options for us princess eaters in the car. Burner feels me.
So since we're at a motocross race, something about motocross.
I got to meet Ryan Dungey and his beautiful blue eyes.
Okay. And
I would love to meet Ken Roxon. He's also a beautiful.
How was he? Here we are. Just got to the track. It's gonna be a mutter today. Just a little muddy.
Oh, he's definitely stuck. Oh no. Oh no. Somebody plowed the fence right here. Shoo.
Oh no. Oh man.
Oh, no. This Camaro SS is just roosting everybody.
Give me a summary of the first moto.
was up, then it was down, and then it was up, and then it was down. And then generally, I'd have to give it like a 6 out of 10. Tomac got a pretty good score, 4. It's okay. Plessinger
Could not keep his goggles on.
not ideal. I don't know.
What are you calling it out of the gate?
Broncos win by 6.
Perfect.
Oh,
That's exactly what I was looking for. Barsha starts.
Whole shot.
Barsha whole shot.
Plessinger 35th.
Oh. Okay. And what? 35th to like 10th?
35th to 1st. Never seen it before.
Koldenhoff's going to be good.
As it turns out, Koldenhoff was very good. Yes, that is Ryan Dungey sitting there to my right. We're just watching the race with Ryan Dungey.
He's real mad. He's real mad.
Ready to leave. Let's go. I don't give a shit about this. Is in the book. An epic battle. And oh, Netherlands has to be best.
I know.
Oh, Netherlands has to be best. To be here in Red Bud, right? Look at all those.
How's your weekend?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was bullshit.
Got to see a lot of no.
Nick is a salty sea witch.
Yes, he is. So sad. We are wrapping up the weekend. Red Bud,
Nick,
MXDN.
do you see that? Slickbuck silver.
Ooh, she got you. Update 2. Any progress?
Okay, no, which way are we going home? Are we going out the back way or the front way? Always the back way.
Back way.
Because I'm really interested to see how that looks right now.
The mud pit on the way out. So many boots in the ground. We're on our way back.
Yep.
Got your snacks.
I do. Got my snacks. Got my other snacks. Yeah.
More snacks.
More snacks. Yep.
We're exhausted.
We're very tired. Ready to get home to Commodore and now.
Berna said she was going to keep talking, and I shut it off too soon.
Successful weekend. We're sad that USA didn't win.
No, Nick is sad. I'm kind of sad. You don't care.
Where are we? I'm sad. I'm allowed to be sad about it.
You asked who won after it was over.
I saw who won. France. France won. And Italy.
Oh.
It says
Grammar
Italian.
queen over here.
It says Italia on all their uniforms, and I'm tired. Italy got second.
Yep.
So, in summary, congratulations to Team France.
Pulled that one out of something. I was not expecting that. Great weekend still, even though the ESA didn't win. Excellent memories, had a great time. Hopefully get to do it again next year. Maybe it'll be a good excuse to go overseas, go to Assen. Netherlands would be cool to see. Man, they're going to be good next year.